Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learnivo, where you build confidence for IELTS speaking through clear structure and well-developed answers. Today's topic is fixing things, a common IELTS speaking part one topic connected to daily life, practical skills, and problem solving. At the end of this practice, you'll also find a vocabulary section with clear definitions and complete example sentences to help you use these words accurately in the IELTS exam. Let's begin.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Daniel Cooper, and I'll be your examiner today. Could you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Alice Smith.
Thanks, Alice. Could I see your identification, please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. That's perfect. Now, in this first part of the test, I'd like to ask you some questions about fixing things. Are you good at fixing things?
I would say I am reasonably good at fixing simple things around the house. For example, I can repair small problems like loose screws or minor electronic issues, although I usually rely on professionals for more complex repairs.
Do you prefer fixing things yourself or asking someone else to do it?
It depends on the complexity of the problem. If the issue is small and manageable, I prefer fixing it myself because it saves time and money. However, for complicated repairs, I believe it is safer to call a professional.
What kinds of things do you usually fix at home?
At home, I usually fix small items such as loose furniture, simple electrical issues, or minor household appliances. These tasks are manageable and often only require basic tools and patience.
Did you learn how to fix things when you were young?
Yes, I learned some basic repair skills when I was younger by observing family members who enjoyed fixing household items. Watching them work helped me understand simple techniques and encouraged me to try small repairs myself.
Do you think fixing things is an important skill?
Yes, fixing things is definitely an important skill because it encourages independence and problem solving. Being able to repair small issues can save money and prevent minor problems from becoming larger ones.
Have you ever fixed something successfully?
Yes, I once repaired a broken chair at home by tightening its loose parts and reinforcing the structure. It was a satisfying experience because I managed to solve the problem without needing outside help.
Do you enjoy repairing things?
Sometimes I enjoy repairing things because it can feel rewarding to solve a problem. When the repair works successfully, it gives a sense of accomplishment and practical satisfaction.
Do people repair things less nowadays?
Yes, many people repair things less frequently today because modern products are often replaced rather than repaired. Convenience and lower product prices sometimes encourage people to buy new items instead of fixing old ones.
Do you think repairing things saves money?
Yes, repairing items can definitely save money because replacing products can be expensive. Fixing something simple often requires fewer resources and extends the life of the item.
Would you like to learn more repair skills?
Yes, I would like to learn more repair skills because practical abilities can be very useful in daily life. Learning basic mechanical or electrical repair techniques could increase independence.
What tools do people usually need to fix things?
People usually need basic tools such as screwdrivers, hammers, pliers, and sometimes electrical testers. These tools allow individuals to perform many simple repairs safely and effectively.
Do you think repairing things is difficult?
Repairing things can be difficult depending on the complexity of the problem. Simple repairs are manageable, but advanced technical issues often require specialized knowledge and experience.
Have you ever tried fixing something but failed?
Yes, I once attempted to repair a small electronic device, but realized the issue was more complicated than expected. Eventually, I decided to seek professional help to avoid damaging it further.
Do you think people should learn repair skills?
Yes, I believe people should learn basic repair skills because they promote independence and reduce unnecessary waste. Simple maintenance knowledge can be useful in everyday situations.
Are there people who repair things professionally?
Yes, many professionals specialize in repairing specific items such as electronics, vehicles, or household appliances. Their training and experience allow them to solve problems more efficiently.
Do you think repairing things is environmentally friendly?
Yes, repairing things is environmentally friendly because it reduces waste and decreases the demand for new products. Extending the lifespan of items contributes to more sustainable consumption.
Would you teach children how to fix things?
Yes, teaching children how to fix simple things can help them develop practical skills and problem solving abilities. It also encourages responsibility and creativity.
Do you think modern technology makes repairs easier?
In some cases, modern technology makes repairs easier because there are online tutorials and guides available. However, some modern devices are also more complex and difficult to repair.
Do you prefer repairing old items or buying new ones?
If the repair is simple and cost-effective, I prefer repairing the item. However, if the repair cost is high or the product is outdated, replacing it may be a better option.
What is the most useful thing you have ever repaired?
One of the most useful things I repaired was a desk drawer that stopped working properly. After fixing the sliding mechanism, the desk became fully functional again and much easier to use.
Before we finish today's practice, let's look at some useful vocabulary that can help you speak more confidently about fixing things in the IELTS exam.
Repair. To fix something that is broken. I repaired the chair after it broke. Maintenance. Regular care to keep something working. Maintenance keeps machines working properly. Tool. Device used to fix or build something. A screwdriver is a useful tool. Technician. Person who repairs technical equipment. A technician repaired my computer. Damage. Physical harm to an object. The phone had screen damage. Replace. Put something new instead of old. I replaced the broken handle. Adjust. Change something slightly to improve it. I adjusted the loose screw carefully. Mechanical. Related to machines. Mechanical problems require special skills. Troubleshoot. Identify and solve a problem. He helped troubleshoot the device problem. Durable. Able to last a long time. Durable products need fewer repairs.
That brings us to the end of today's IELTS Speaking Part 1. Practice on fixing things. Thank you for practicing with Learnivo. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and continue improving your IELTS speaking confidence with us.